In late 2025, devastating floods hit Sumatra, but this was no ordinary natural disaster. The pictures were just shocking. Villages weren't just in mud, they were buried under these massive logs. So the big question became, where on earth did all of this wood come from? To get to the bottom of this, we've got to understand how a flash flood actually works. It usually starts with something called a natural dam, which is basically a landslide blocking a river. Rainwater just keeps building up behind it, and the pressure mounts until it can't hold anymore. That moment is called overtopping. It unleashes a terrifying wall of water, mud, and debris. So this catastrophe really had two parts, a trigger that started it and an amplifier that made it way worse. The trigger? Cyclone Senfrinyar. It dumped an insane 418 millimeters of rain in just 24 hours. That's nearly 3 times the official extreme rain level. Think 5 months of rain in one night. But the rain was only the trigger. The amplifier was widespread, massive deforestation. You see, healthy forests are supposed to act like a giant sponge, soaking up water and holding soil in place. Without them, rain just rips the soil loose, causing the landslides that create those natural dams. Those logs were the smoking gun, proof of illegal logging and a total failure in environmental policy. And that's why experts are saying you can't just blame the weather. It's not the whole story. As one resident put it perfectly, damage upstream makes victims of us downstream. And the end result of this entire chain reaction? A human catastrophe on a staggering scale. In Indonesia alone, over 1,000 people died, hundreds went missing, and millions were affected. The provinces of Aceh, North Sumatra, and West Sumatra were hit the absolute hardest. But this wasn't just some local event. It was a stark warning about a global problem. This is what happens when climate change supercharges a storm and local environmental damage leaves everyone exposed. Which leaves us with a final lingering question. When a disaster is this predictable, can we still call it natural?